Okay, so today we're going to be talking about mutually exclusive. So mutually exclusive and not mutually exclusive. I'm going to give you an example here. Remember when we talked about the Venn diagram? And the Venn diagram overlapped? Well, mutually exclusive means that there is no overlap. For example, you could have juniors and seniors. There is no overlap between juniors and seniors. If you're a junior, you're not a senior. If you're a senior, you're not a junior. Does that make sense to you guys?
Yeah.
So let's say out of 100 students, we have 20 juniors and 10 seniors. Then you have 20 plus 10. The probability of getting a junior or a senior is going to equal the probability of getting a junior plus the probability of getting a senior. 20% plus 10% is 30%. Does that make sense? Okay, so once again, no overlap. Okay, no overlap. So if we have 20 juniors, 10 seniors, 30 out of 100, 30 out of 100 will be your answer. Yes? Okay. Let's talk about not mutually exclusive. When something is not mutually exclusive, we talked about this last week, that's when you have a Venn diagram that overlaps. So for example, you could have juniors and you could have female. So all the juniors will be in here, including males and females. The females will be in here. And over here will be the females that are not juniors. Okay, so this is overlap. So not mutually exclusive, there's overlap. So this pink area in the middle is going to be both. So, remember when we talked about the males with glasses? You guys remember that? So we counted the number of males, and then we counted the number of people wearing glasses, and then what did we have to do at the end? Subtract the people who are males with glasses, right? Why? Because we counted them twice. We're going to have to do the exact same thing here. So the probability of picking a junior or someone who's female is equal to the probability of picking somebody who's a junior plus the probability of picking someone who's female minus the pink area, because you counted them twice, minus the probability of picking a junior and female. Okay? The blue circle plus the orange circle minus the overlap. Make sense? We talked about this last week? Yes? Okay. One thing you need to know for your homework assignment, what happens if I subtract this from both sides and I add the pink to both sides? Well, then here's your new equation. If I add the pink to both sides, I have junior and female. This part's the same. And if I subtract this from both sides, then you have this equation. But notice that these two equations are almost exactly the same thing. You just add the two circles and subtract. Yes? You add the two circles and you subtract. So whether you're looking for the or the and, the equation is pretty much the same. Okay? So mutually exclusive means there is no overlap. Not mutually exclusive means there is overlap. Do you guys all know what the word exclusive means? Okay? You're excluding. You're excluding. These are excluded from each other. Okay? Any questions?